afternoon, you guys. It's a nice day here in Chicago. I thought, why not review my 2019 Ford Mustang for you guys. I'm gonna do my best. You know, I've had the car for about a year now, so you know, I'm just gonna go over with you guys, you know, my pros and cons, what I like about it, what I don't, and give you guys my best review on it. Hope you guys, you know, enjoy. Please make sure to like and subscribe. What's up, you guys? So here we are doing a review on a 2019 Ford Mustang Ecoboost. You know, I've had this car for about a year and truly I love it. So I'm just gonna go with you guys over the pros and cons. I mean, I bought this car already with these blacked out rims sitting on Pirelli tires. I thought it was a nice detail. I've always wanted an all blacked out vehicle, so I thought, hey, why not get the wheels already blacked out? I think if you actually go to the dealership and get this, it's called a black accent. So you'll pretty much get all the wheels blacked out, horses blacked out already, and you know, obviously besides the wheels already being blacked out, you'll also be noticing the horse in the back will be blacked out. I've always wanted a blacked out car, especially a Mustang. Lights, like, it's just the detail in this car, I love. Besides that, you do notice right here in the Mustang, obviously, at the revolving like lights, they'll go like in sequence. So right here we're looking inside the hood of the 2019 Ford Mustang. This engine runs on 310 to 320 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 4 seconds. I'm telling you, you get behind this wheel, don't underestimate this car at all. You will feel those horses. Obviously, compared to your GT and compared to your Shelby, it's a completely different story. But if you guys, like I said, are not looking for that option, this is a great option for you as well. Right here shows Mustang, so I think that's a nice little touch. Some other models actually have like lights where when you open the door you see the logo, like the horse on the ground or Mustang. Right here we have the inside of the 2019 Ford Mustang, which is absolutely beautiful. Right here we have this beautiful classic horse, the Mustang, the Young Stallion logo. Right here we do have the digital dash, speedometers. And right here, which I think is pretty cool, you could go out and switch the apps, you know, very up to date. It tells you your tire pressures, your PSI. You get to track, honestly, voltage, how many miles left you have on the tank. The car actually has a line lock option, which a lot of muscle cars actually will have. So this line lock option pretty much is allows you to lock your front 2 tires. So if this car has different modes, which I will go over soon too, throughout these modes, like drag mode, like if you go to drag races, you know, you'll be able to lock your front 2 tires. And you know, obviously for better starts when you're doing drag races. You'll have the seats inside, which are pretty spacious right here with the Mustang and braided already stitched on that. I got these, but you guys can order these online, not that expensive. On top of that, it is a coupe, so space is limited in the back, but I mean, I fit 2 people back here before, so I mean, you should be able to fit. It's not bad. A lot of leg space. I mean, I'm 6'3", and I mean, I can fit in here pretty comfortably. So as far as space and including for the roof, I could actually fit here. It's not that bad. It is a 10-speed automatic, as you see right there. And right here, as we go along, can't forget about these, we have different modes, but these 2 right here are my favorite. So right here we have, if you can see, mode. So when I switch that mode, it gives me an option right here, as you guys can see, to switch in what type of Here, let me focus that. Switch what type of drive mode I want to be in. So right here I want sport mode. See that little S? Right here we got track mode, and we'll see it right there at the bottom. We want to change, that's the drag mode right there. And then for snow, actually in the snow, what I've noticed, because I do live here in Chicago, is that when I go in snow mode, you actually feel the car like just like it's weird, like it's kind of heavier if you actually like get to sit in the car and drive it. So that's pretty good. I mean, I feel like I have more traction in the winter time, which is pretty good. Not that I recommend this car for everyday driver in the winter, but I mean, if you do need to go out and it's, you know, it gets pretty bad here in Chicago, like that is a good mode. For as far as, like I said, sport mode, it's amazing. You immediately notice a difference as you're driving while you're in sport mode. The car accelerates quicker, feels even lighter. So, honest review, I've had this car for about a year now. It's not my everyday driver. It's a great car in my opinion. It's a coupe. You're gonna have a great time. It performs well. You definitely feel an urge to drive this car every time you step in it. It's fast. You still feel that great power, those horses under your hood. Don't underestimate it at all. It's saves you gas, especially living in the city. I would just always love the look of the car, and I wanted the performance. So right now I thought this was the best choice for me. And you know, also to do reviews for you guys, and more to come. I will be doing specs and maybe changes to this car later on, so tune in for that. With that being said, I love this car. It performs well. Great gas mileage in my opinion for a coupe, you know, a muscle car. You're gonna get performance. It's a great look. I mean, it performs well. It has a lot of options. You have your technology that you need. A lot of great detail inside the car and outside of the car. I love the car. I think it's totally affordable for whoever wants to buy one. Right now they're currently from anywhere from 30 to maybe 40,000 if you know, depending on what packages you choose with this car. Another step after that will be the GT, which will be probably definitely starting at 40 and up, $40,000 and up. But don't be afraid to go by your near dealership, and if you have any questions, they'll be sure to help you out. There's a lot of people out there trying to get a sale, so, but also be it, you know, get an opinion before you go. Do your research on the car. That way you know if you're, you know, getting the right product or what you want when you go and buy a car.